Yeah, so day 5 of our beautiful excursion adventure here at Isla Saona. We're now gonna step inside the community, the local community, where
we're going to see how the locals live in Isla Saona.
So hang on to your hats, let's go and let's see what's going down.
Enjoy.
So we noticed straight away that the streets don't have any name because it's not really any street, it's an island, right? So we're gonna go by the blue shop here and walk down and see what's happening. Straight away you can see that it's not like the normal touristy part of town. You know what I'm saying? This is where the real people live. So we're coming in. Hombre.
I think they've got like a shop.
A little local shop there. Over there they've got more houses and stuff over there. Gardens and fenced off gardens. Coming in. Hola, hola. So you can here see we have I don't even know what this building is, a police station. There's a local police station at the back here.
And every day we see the police officer come on his bike.
On manoeuvres, do his local patrols.
Saying hello to everybody and making sure that there's order on the island. And we found out that there's only 600 people that live on this island as well. So
Yeah, see.
very small community.
It's a local shop, local food shop look like. Selling tacos and crips and that and rice and chicken and thing. So we can come back here later and get a little sin thing to eat perhaps. Hola.
Here you go.
Y después 75, ahora estoy. A mí me gustaría probar 75.
This is where we came last night, baby. Remember the mango and the china and the
And we went round there.
Yeah.
We had ice
there's a
cream.
hair salon.
Oh wow! Oh yeah.
A little hair salon, so if you want to get a hair, you know what, I might get a haircut. There's no one in there right now, so there's a hair salon though. There's a little shop here. You can buy some various drinks.
Cokes and lemonades and stuff. I think it's this house. The lady.
No, not this one.
No.
It's further down. Not this one, it was further down. Because we came like this, down this way, and turned right. And then we turned right again.
But as you can see, a lot of them say if you would like to rent your accommodation as well.
Yeah, so there's a lot of rentals. And we always seem to be getting these beach dogs, they're following us, trying to protect us. Banana trees here. So, you know, community can't get from banana car. The wool heap there.
Oh, cute.
And a local shop again. Kids can get their sweeties and whatnot. Yeah, so we came from there last night, didn't we?
Yes, yes.
We came from up there. Came down to here. This lady gave us some ice cream. Well, she sold us some ice cream out of her freezer. There was the family that was having playing cards and dominoes and stuff. And we said we wanted some ice cream. And she just went to her freezer and said, yeah, boom. Wanted to Costa, boom, boom, boom. $1. We had 3-4 of us. And we got some ice cream. It was beautiful. Best ice cream you're actually gonna ever taste. Very nice. Nice and quiet. Now in the evening time it's a little bit more atmosphere because people are home from work or home from their daily chores. So they got little music going on.
Yeah.
The streets are busy, people are moving around. And there's not much lighting in the back here as well, I've noticed. In the night time, there's not much light. So,
Everyone's up. I think everyone's in bed by like 9 o'clock on the island.
yeah, because everyone's got work to do, chores to do. You know?
And from around 10:30, that's when the excursion starts coming.
Yep, people sleeping in there. Voila. Some nice new houses going up here. Fits up time. They said there's some produce here, some voila. Some cakes and stuff. Patties and stuff.
It's amazing. Look at all.
So this is, like I said, this is a community that goes on behind the beaches of Isla Saona. You know what I'm saying? This is where it is. The backdrop.
The dog is going to show us the way.
Thank you, Rexington. Hola, ¿cómo está?
¿Cómo que está?
Yeah.
I think people's houses.
Wow, river, swamp, whatever you want to call it, at the back of the area.
Yeah, I think this is for her. Oh wow.
Big house, man. And all of these houses looking like small, they all got their doors open, so you can actually see inside them. Got a pig there, just sitting there.
Oh wow. That's waiting to grow up.
Yep.
It could be a
Yeah, mine used to struggle because you chickened it when he looked at you a minute ago. Imagine that. The dog chickening it from the pig. It's the animal world out there. Hola. Poor, but they're happy.
yeah,
Poor, but they're living in paradise.
exactly.
And literally
And what's for? They might not. This might be.
rich.
Yeah.
The rich man's world, because they don't have, well, we don't know what their bills are, but in the West we live with all the material things and the trappings of wealth. Gold chains, diamonds, rings, and all these things. The latest mobile phone and the cars. And what do they have? They have nature, sunshine, a community of people. Come.
Houses that look very beautiful.
On the inside, I'm going to try and show you one on the inside. They got the doors open, and when we've looked in them, when we've walked past them, they're massive inside. You know, people add on bits and pieces onto the back of the houses, create even more room.
Timber.
Yep.
Oh. He runs like a horse. It's the same one that we had before.
No.
Oh no, he's different.
It's cut left up here. We've got to buy the shop. Go on.
Come on, Rex.
There's our dog.
There's loads of them.
Yaga.
Hi. In your pack.
So it ain't too bad. Look, you live there. You walk out here, you're at the beach. Bam. Life. You want to get some water?
Yes.
There's a nice little German man here. Got some water. He's got everything, but we normally buy our waters from him, and it's reasonable. So let's try and cop some of that right now.
Here, right?
Nah.
Yes.
Hola.
Hola.
Aqua. Hola, señor. Very well, yourself? Good, good, good. Can we get a big bottle of water, please? What do you want, one or two, darling?
One, please.
Just one, please.
It's okay. I'm joking, yeah.
So we've just come here. We just bought some water from this lovely gentleman. We just were asking him, like, how long's he been here on Isla Saona? So
A little bit more than 4 years. We come over here for permanent in 2017.
uh-huh.
Yes. But the first time to the island I came in 2009.
And you fell in love.
16 times I came here.
Wow, and you fell in love with Isla
The
Saona.
island.
Yeah. Or with the beautiful woman behind you.
I met her in Germany.
Oh,
Munich.
oh
We
really?
meet each other.
And then you
she
came?
brought me here.
Ah, so she's from Saona.
How
Not born here, she's born in Santo Domingo.
Okay.
I lived here since 92.
Okay, brilliant,
Oh,
brilliant,
wow.
brilliant. And it's a great place to live.
Of course.
Yeah,
Quiet
nothing,
place.
no problem, quiet.
Different life.
Mm,
More quiet, no stress.
that's it.
Nobody knows what is burnout here.
Everyone's on a chill.
It's beautiful.
All right. All
We
right.
have
Listen,
fun.
thank you, sir.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, have a beautiful day. We'll catch you tomorrow. Same water top.
And water, beer,
Cigar?
cigar, I have.
Hold on, guys. I'm gonna just have to pause you there. I need to buy a cigar.